Good morning. Today we are having the special assembly for the British Council on the folklores of four countries, that is, England, Sri Lanka, United Arab Emirates, and India. We'll be coming across the latest news, amazing facts, and a few lines on the folklores and culture of each country. Coming to the amazing facts of India. Mitten Da. Well, that was good morning in the Cornish language. So, I'd bring you down to the top two news headlines from England. Schools closures will be as short as possible, pledged over mass testing in schools as warning given not to mix for the New Year's Eve celebrations. No logic to keeping schools open in London. Schools in 10 towns of London will remain open despite Tier 4 restrictions across the capital.
Devta. English heritage brings the country's story to life by showcasing its prehistoric sites, medieval castles, Roman forts, and country houses for millions of visitors every year. England's bequest is influenced by its historically Christian religious life, its interaction with the cultures of Europe, the traditions of Wales and Scotland, and impact of British Empire. The country has absorbed people from throughout the globe. English culture has been accented with assorted contributions from Afro Caribbeans, Asians, and other immigrant groups. From dragons to devil dogs, from fairies to vampires. English folktales are full of mysteries, creatures, and urban legends. They encompass the traditional Robin Hood tales, the Brythonic inspired Arthurian legend, the Beast of Bodmin Moor, to be named a few. Festivals in England are an expressive way to celebrate its glorious patrimony, culture, and tradition. From New Year to Christmas, commemorating May Day and St. George's Day, the country witnesses an aura of exquisite merriment and allure. England has also been the domain of delectable delicacies. Having a long history and an opulent culture, England, with its contrasting legacy, continues to be the home ground of numerous fascinating antiquities and contemporary marvels. Blina Waur, which is Happy New Year. Muras, thank you in Cornish.
Now, the five most amazing facts about England are: in England, one can never be more than 115 kilometers away from the ocean, meaning that the farthest you can be away from the blue ocean is 115 kilometers, no matter where you go. Susan for a female and David for a male are the most commonly given names in the country of England. The English people consume more tea per head than anybody else in the world. It is estimated that they drink 165 million cups of tea every day. Royal weddings and national holidays. The day after the ceremony, people get a day off work. A royal flag waving at the top of the building where the Queen is residing is a must. The typical food in the UK is roast beef and Yorkshire beef, but the Brits have voted chicken tikka as a national dish. The chicken tikka is actually an Indian recipe. Indian restaurants in the UK are a random thing. It is estimated that there are more Indian restaurants in London than any other Indian suburban centers like New Delhi or Mumbai. Thank you.
Hello, Subha Naba Vasara, meaning Happy New Year in the native Sinhala language. Talking about the Sri Lankan culture, the culture of Sri Lanka mixes modern elements with traditional aspects and is known for its regional diversity. It has long been influenced by Buddhism passed on from India, and the religion's legacy is particularly strong in the southern and central regions. It has a rich artistic form that encompasses music, dance, and visual arts. The Sri Lankan culture is also internationally associated with a distinct cuisine, mainly consisting of herbs, spices, fish, vegetable, and rice, and an indigenous holistic medicine practice. It has three endemic dance styles, and the music is inspired by Buddhism and Portuguese colonizers. Mostly people in Sri Lanka follow Buddhism, while small variations of people are Hindus, Muslims, Roman Catholics, and Christians. The Sinhala and Tamil are the official languages while a lot of people converse in English. Thank you.
Now, two top latest news of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka will resume international flight operations from December 26, 8 months after they were closed in the view of COVID-19 outbreak. The Civil Aviation Authority of Sri Lanka, CAASL, said it would be soon issuing directions to the travel industry on the opening of Sri Lankan airspace for commercials and charter flight operations. Now, bringing focus to amazing facts of Sri Lanka. It is nicknamed Pearl of the Indian Ocean and Teardrop of India. It's packed with a large variety of animals, up to 123 species of mammals, 227 species of birds, and 127 species of reptiles. Tea is a big business in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is also the home of cinnamon. You'll think of England in the town of Nevara Elia, as it is a British built town known for its temperate and cool climate. Obata Stuti, meaning thank you in Sinhala, the Sri Lankan language.
Eid Milad Majid, Waham Saeed, which means Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in the native language of UAE, which is Arabic. The top news headlines of United Arab Emirates are Dubai's economy to grow 4% in 2021, rebounding from this year's contractions. UAE authorizes emergency use of COVID-19 vaccine for members of first line of defense. Now, some amazing facts for UAE are there are no permanent rivers in UAE. The UAE created the world's first government ministry for artificial intelligence. Dubai in UAE has the world's longest driverless metro system with more than 46 miles of track. It's home to the safest city in the world, which is Abu Dhabi. There is a lake in Dubai named Lake Expo, which is just made using lake, trees, and sand to resemble the logo of Expo 2020.
The United Arab Emirates (UAE) is a confederation of seven kingdoms, regions headed by a sheikh or emir, or emirates located on the shore of Persian Gulf. The United Arab Emirates, a Middle East country, is known as a global hub for innovations where countries around the world come to invest. Hundreds of people every year move to UAE for jobs and career building. UAE is a country of rich culture and heritage. Culture here mainly revolves around the religion of Islam and traditional Arab culture. The influence of Islamic and Arab culture on its architecture, music, attire, cuisine, and lifestyle are very prominent as well. The main heritage sites in UAE are the Heritage Village, which is located in Dubai, and the Shod in Ajman. All religious festivals, especially the Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, are celebrated here with great enthusiasm. The famous folklores of UAE are some of the are such as Neighbor of Mine, My Adventurous Sailor Shall Return. The neighbor of with perfume, precious stones, rose water, and incense, he shall return. Shukran Lak, that means thank you in the local regional language of UAE.
आप सबको नव वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, which means Happy New Year in Hindi. Here are some amazing facts. First, India is the wettest inhabited place on earth. Second, India was first country to mine diamonds. Third, India has the highest population of vegetarians. Fourth, the Kumbh Mela celebrated in India is visible from space. Fifth, Varanasi, located in India, is the most ancient surviving city in the world. Here are some latest news. First, Serum Institute has successfully developed the vaccine for COVID-19. Vaccination in India to begin from 14th December, priority to be given to COVID warriors. Second, consensus sales to reach on contract farming and minimum support price between the government and the farmers. Over to you, Suyash.
Suprabhat, which means good morning in the Indian Hindi language. From intricate Mughal mosques to tremendously carved temples, from skyscraping minarets to colossal domes, from splendiferous epics like Mahabharata to sanctified scriptures like Quran, from Devanagari to Farsi, the term Indian culture can only be deciphered as diversity. From time immemorial, India has been an amalgamation of innumerable religions, languages, cultures, and heritages. India is home to 22 different languages, along with six paramount religions. Indian culture has also been influenced by a history that is several millennia old, beginning with the Indus Valley civilization. Many elements of Indian culture, such as religions, mathematics, philosophy, cuisine, languages, dance, music, and movies, have had a profound impact across the Indosphere, Greater India, and the world. The famous folklores of India are Panchatantra, which is the largest literature collection in the world. Tales of Vikram Betal, Akbar Birbal, and Tenali Raman. These folk tales have found a special place in world literature. Indian culture is a coalescence of multitudinous traditional beliefs, philosophies, and infallible sources of knowledge from myriads of worlds, which are all stitched together by the feeling of being an Indian and patriotism, hence justifying the oxymoron, unity in diversity. As Indian culture is so rich and eternal, it resides in the hearts and souls of the people and will continue to do so. धन्यवाद और आपका दिन सुखी रहे, which means thank you and have a nice day in the Indian Hindi language. So today we got a wonderful overview of the cultures of four countries and also obtained valuable knowledge about their folk tales. Thank you and have a nice day.